Large rainbow-coated foam balls in softer densities allow younger students to build confidence while having a blast with the rainbow-coated foam ball pack. Squishier foam and larger sizes make these balls perfect for younger students to work on skills like catching, throwing, kicking, and more. Rainbow colors allow for color-coded variations and add an element of fun to any activity. Rainbow-coated foam ball pack includes 24 balls, 12 low-bounce squeeze balls, and 12 medium-bounce Versa balls. Cleanup and storage is a breeze with the included VersaBag mesh storage bag, allowing you to carry all 24 balls at once. Get the perfect foam ball pack for younger students with the rainbow-coated foam ball pack only from Gopher.